Ratios. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are ratios? Why ratios are called so. 2. How many quantities can be present in a ratio? 3. Why it is better to use a ratio rather than subtraction to compare two quantities. 4. What is the procedure used to calculate a ratio? 5. How to express ratios, r, in a number line. 6. How to calculate the inverse ratio 1 to r. 7. How to calculate the fraction of a quantity out of a total. 8. How to scale up ratios. 9. How to calculate the part of a whole. 10. How to calculate part of another part. 11. How to find the new ratio when one of quantities changes. 12. How to divide in a given ratio. Introduction. Imagine the following scenario: a friend tells you that he owns $50,000 less than his brother. Is this information sufficient to draw a conclusion about their wealth? In other words, is it certain that your friend is poor and his brother is rich? Obviously, the answer is no. Your friend may be broke. In this case, his brother owns $50,000. This means none of them is rich, but your friend's brother is economically stable. However, another option is that the two brothers may be both rich, as your friend may own $10 million of wealth and his brother just $15,000 more. Therefore, it is not sufficient to know how much a quantity is greater than another to draw conclusions about their respective sizes. Therefore, we need other types of comparison to have a better information and understanding about quantities. That is all for Introduction to Ratios. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 4.1.1, Definition of a Ratio. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.